Good afternoon, MGSD students and parents. My name is Stephen Mauney, your superintendent, and I know that we're all excited and maybe a bit apprehensive about the start of the new school year. And our district has been working diligently over the last week to be sure that everything is ready to go. As I'm sure you're aware, there is significant concern about the rising COVID numbers that we see in our county and across our country. And with that in mind, we are in constant contact with our local health department so that we can best keep an eye on that data so that we can make the best decisions possible to keep everyone safe. Our main goal for the coming school year is to keep our kids in school for as long as we can. I hope that this year is a great year, that we have no disruptions to learning, but we need to be sure that we pay close attention to that data so that we can make informed decisions. With this goal in mind, and knowing that our open houses are very crowded events, we have decided to make our open houses virtual this year. As a result, parents and students will meet your teachers virtually tomorrow. Again, this decision is being made to minimize the chance of disruptions for school next week. By noon on Thursday, you'll receive an email from your child's principal welcoming you to the open house and providing you with the virtual link to your child's teacher's classroom. Please be on the lookout for this message and plan to join the open house tomorrow afternoon at its previously scheduled times. Again, MGSD wants to ensure that we are doing everything possible to keep our kids in school this year and to make this a very successful school year. Thank you so much for your continued support of our district and for your understanding. I wish you a great start to the school year and have a great afternoon.